Hi friends, so welcome back to Decorate Your Life, and today I'm sharing with you some of the die cuts and embellishments that I made with the old time ribbon candy die set. It's this right here by mycraftingworlddesigns.com, and this is what the website looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a link to her site and my coupon code, which is Sandy10, so that you can get 10% off your entire purchase. So this is not just the project that I'm going to share for the ribbon candy. Gosh, this is so cute. Okay, this is just to show you the beginning of my project. So what I did was I went ahead and die cut several pieces. This is the base, and this is the little strips. And over here, you get these little golden strips that you see, the sparkly ones. So I just basically glued everything down together, and of course I added up some flat back pearls and whatnot to go with these embellishments. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm adding some sentiments, like for example this one says a gift, and actually this is one die for my stash. It said a gift for you, but I wanted to keep it simple, I wanted to keep it small, so I just put a gift. And as you can see, it is pop dotted on foam dots, foam squares, and I just added it to this little generic tag that I have. And the same thing with this one, I went ahead and popped it with some foam dots, and it says for you, and I added some of my bows. So basically what I'm going to do with these is, see, you can use these for cards even, if you're a card maker or whatnot, you can use it on note cards and whatnot, and I will go ahead and do an example with that. But now I'm going to show you what I'm using these on, okay? Okay, so this is what I made. I made some back toppers. For the back topper, I used a die from my stash, and I embellished each of these back toppers because I'm getting ready to send out some merry mail with the excuse me, with a candy swirly die cut. Oh, my voice is changing. I sound like a teenage boy sometimes. It has its ups and downs, and right now I don't know why it's acting the way it is, but I just have to grin and bear it, right? Okay, so as you can see, I embellished these just how I showed in the other one, and I went ahead and added some swirly designs from my stash, and I pop dotted and everything. And what I decided to do on the front, to the front of each of these back toppers, is I used the die, and I will show you more in just a minute. I used the die from the Ultimate Gift Bag die set from my Crafting World Designs. And because she has 3 designs right here. She has a starry night star design. She has a bunny design, and she also has the excuse me, my voice feels weird, the hearts design. So what I wound up doing was I took some watercolor paper, and I went ahead and die cut several pieces using this one right here. Now when you die cut this piece, as you can see, it's not going to have an edge over here, so you have to do a little bit of measuring and a little bit of paper trimming yourself. As you can see right along there, I believe I cut about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch or something, and then as you do your project, you will go ahead and do it the best way that you can, that fits your crafting needs. So this is what I use to accessorize my bags, and I'm going to go ahead and have pictures at the end of the video so that you can see more as to how I made each and every single one of these. But I made, as you can see, several of these, and these are so much fun, so pretty to make, and I've never seen another die like it. And this is the first of its kind that I have seen. I don't know, but yeah, I love it, and I'm sure that I will be using it more and more and more. And yeah, make sure that you use my discount coupon code Sandy10, and they spelled it with a Y, so it's okay. I don't mind. And so yeah, and remember to look for that link in the description area of my YouTube video. Now, another project that I made, since I was using the Ultimate Gift Bag die set, I decided to go ahead and make the Ultimate Gift Bag. What I love about this die set is the enormity of it. As you can see, it is huge, but at the same token, it does a very good size of fitting through your 6-inch wide die cutting machine, because that is very, very important. A lot of crafters only have for the 6-inch, but I have both the Spellbinders Platinum and the Spellbinders Platinum 6, and it fit very well in the Platinum 6. And so, yeah, I went ahead and I die cut my pieces, and for the paper, I'm using my very own paper collection, which is Once Upon a Christmas. And so over here, now the die does not come with handles. You get these jagged edges at the edge. You may be able to see just a tad of the jagged edges. You see them a little bit here, okay? But I wanted something else. I wanted to make it like a shopping bag. And so what I wound up doing was I took a die, just a generic die from my stash, and I die cut the 2 pieces. And all I did was I took that die cut piece and I just glued it to the inside of my bag to, hold the handles. And so what I did down here on both sides of my gift bag, oh, and by the way, it is super easy to put it together. Okay, what I did down here was, once again, I took a couple of 1-inch pieces of strips, and I measured how big this was, and the width, and I just went ahead and die cut a couple of hard pieces. And this is a leftover from these pieces that I was die cutting, and so I decided to accentuate the top right along here, and I pop dotted this one of the swirly candies onto there, and I just used a couple of my dies from my stash to make the snowflakes, and I think it looks so pretty, so beautiful. And so this is my project for my craftingworlddesigns.com, and go ahead and use my coupon code Sandy10, because I would love to be able to guest design for Anna. Once again, she has the most absolutely beautiful dies at budget-friendly prices. Okay, so check out the pictures and let me know what you think. Bye.